Hello everyone, this is Lynette, Charm Grammy News, on location at the dining room, standing in for my affiliate sisters, news stations, Mama Swift and Nan's Next Knots, both of whom have fallen ill and are unable to assume their duties. So I will be there for you. And we are on location in the dining room so that you can see the work in progress. Here we go. This is, I want you to be able to see the lovely, lovely colors that have been chosen in the order in which they were chosen for our luck of the draw. Back to me now. It is time to pick the next color for week 19 of Luck of the Draw 6. And as I said, standing in for Nan and Trish. The numbers are in the coordinating bowl here. And we're just going to randomly reach in and grab one and see what is next. Color number 7, everyone. It is color number 7. For me, color number 7 is Big Twist Varsity Gold. Oh, where's the 7? I have a 7 written on here somewhere. There we go. There we go. No shenanigans here. It is not a 4. It is a 7. Because it could look like a 4 that way, but it is not. It is a 7, and it is this Varsity Gold from Big Twist. Lynette standing in for Trish and Nan, who will be linked in the description box below, with Luck of the Draw 6. Crochet away. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for joining us here at Charmed Grammy News. Signing off.